Today I will be showing you how to optimize your PC in under 10 minutes. Hey guys, it's TPC here with another video. I'll be showing you how to optimize your PC. So let's start off. First, I'll leave this link in the description below. You can go and check it out. First, you need to create a restore point. So you double click on restore point in the start, 0 restore point. Go to restore point and you'll come to this page. Click on that and press create. After you press create, make it any title you want. I'll just name it before optimization and I'll create it. So after it's created, just press OK and go back to the pack, and then you go to settings tweaks. For this it's very simple. After you do that, it shows this page, and then you just press yes and OK. You do that for the other file too. After you've done both of that, you go back to the pack again, and then you go to the power tweaks. Then disable power throttling. You have to do the same thing again. Press yes and OK. For this one, go to rename and copy this name. Press Ctrl C and then press Windows R and then type CMD. Then press Ctrl Shift and enter. It comes up as a Windows command processor. Then you paste it with Ctrl V if you're on a Windows, and then press enter. And again paste it and then press enter again. Then you can X out of this and go back to the pack. Then to reduce your input delay, you need to use this MSI mode tool. But before that, you need to create a restore point, because some PCs won't support it. So MSI mode tool restore, I'm just going to name that. I'll create. After it's done, just close everything, and now left click MSI mode tool and press run as administrator. After that, it opens up. Then this is very important. So if you see your graphics card here, and then you need to check it if in the supported modes MSI is there. If MSI is not there, it's most preferable not to check it, and it's usually undefined. So you make it high and then check this, press apply and then close out of this application. Go back to the pack and then go to GPU settings. Depends on whatever settings you have. If it's AMD, then you use this photos. You use these photos to see what all settings you need to do and how. And if it's Intel, you can do it in the graphics command center or the graphics control panel. You look at those and then you do it. For me, I have NVIDIA. So first I'll go to NVIDIA settings. I'll go to NVIDIA control panel. In the NVIDIA control panel, you go to manage 3D settings. This is the settings I have done, and you can watch it. Okay, after you're done, you just press apply and then go out of that. When you go back to the pack, and then you go to clean up. So first you do delete log files. It deletes everything. Press enter after it's done. For me, I already did it, so I'm going to X out of this thing. Then you do the same thing with delete temporary files. Then you go to disk cleanup. You choose which disk to clean up. I already did C, and then you just press OK and delete files. Done. So you do that for any of your disks, and go back to the pack and then go to startup apps. It brings up your task manager. You can see what all you want to disable, unless you really want it. So if you press that, if it's enabled, then you just press on that and disable it. Otherwise, you can right click it and press disable. After that, you can X out of that too, and then you can go to local app data. If you're Fortnite or anything, then you can delete the folder. You just press on this and then press delete. It doesn't actually delete your whole thing, it just deletes that much. And then you can go back to that, you can go back to the pack and you download Malwarebytes. I'll leave the description in the link below. So you go into Malwarebytes and then you go to settings. In general, you can come down and you can, it's usually switched on, you can switch off usage and threat statistics. Then you go back and then you can press scan. So after your Malwarebytes is done scanning, and you just press done, then you X out of there and then you restart your PC. So hey guys, after you're done restarting your PC, it must be optimized and it will be giving its best performance. And if you like this video, please like and share, and please press that big red button, subscribe. It's free and you don't have to do anything for it.